What's good, YouTube? We got the tree stump black border. Let me show you how I did it. Alrighty. We're gonna start off with our engineer right here on the tippity top corner as possible. That's the plan. Till he pops all the greens, and then the balloons come around. We're gonna put them back on first. Gonna be very important. There's sometimes he's been able to do it without it, but just to negate the RNG, that's how we're gonna do it. Now we can put our striker right about here, as close over here as possible. We're gonna put him on last and put my engineer on strong. And this should get us a couple rounds. We'll be able to afford our first monkey ace right after this round. Perfect. We're gonna put him right here as bottom as possible, because it's gonna be important. We want him close to a striker. Today we're gonna be showcasing the Spectre today. It's gonna be paired with striker, which gives him a pierce buff for the later rounds. I try to go for the flying fortress, almost impossible, you know. So let's rush our sentry guns here in just a second. And now we're gonna rush our cleansing foam for round 24. Alrighty, we got our cleansing foam for round 21. We're gonna actually target it in the back so the foams get build up, you know. Build ups gives them time to throw it down for the camos to not go by. Now let's talk about my boy Monkey Ace. The Spectre ability, very strong mid game. We're gonna upgrade him right here. Need to get to that central path as quick as humanly possible. But yeah, his weakness is DDTs, obviously. DDTs is a little hard to get by, but we're gonna be buffing the mess out of him so he's able to, you know, get rid of some of those DDTs, have no issue whatsoever. Alrighty, this should get us a couple rounds. If you ever get scared, just use a striker ability to snipe those balloons, and we should be fine. Getting close. It's a little bit RNG with the monkey ace because, you know, you don't know where he's gonna shoot, you don't know where he's gonna go, so you kind of have to just eyeball it, watch it, and if you see a balloon leak, we're gonna stun him at the perfect time, and then we should be fine. So now we got our never missing target. Now we're just straight chilling. We're chilling. We're gonna upgrade him on the top 2 paths, and then this should get us a couple rounds. So now we're gonna need some more camo detection, so we're gonna be saving up for a village here in just a second. You should be able to. Oh, I guess you cannot. I was able to get it on the top here, but I guess not. My placement's a little off. That's fine. We're gonna place our village right about here. And we're gonna rush the radar scanner. Here we go. Got our radar scanner by round 37. Now we're gonna get a jungle drums. That's our plan here. You don't need it before round 40, but we're gonna get it as quick as possible because we wanna be safe. This is the hardest mode. We don't want any leaking balloons. So there we go. Jungle drums, and that just makes them extra strong. Alrighty, we're getting close to that Spectre here. I'm just going to use the bomb, the striker ability there to save me, because we should be able to afford Spectre in the middle of round 53 here. Spamming it, just getting ready for war. There we go. Now, this should actually save us for like 30 rounds, believe it or not. We have our Spectre, now it's time to buff it up. Simple as that. Round 60 is about to be here for our first BFB, and our first upgrade that we're gonna buy is actually gonna be overclock. It's gonna be very crucial for the round that we struggle on. But, otherwise, I'll see you there. Here again, you know, we're actually gonna get an alchemist right here. Please tell me I have enough space. I know I just seen an opening somewhere. I can't put them anywhere near here, huh? Well, that's kind of unfortunate. So I guess we're gonna have to find that spot again. We're just gonna buff them up even more. We're actually gonna save up all the way for the perma brew, which is just crazy, I know. But that's what we have to do. Alrighty, we got round 80 here, our first ZOMG, and as you can see, the Spectre is just holding it down. Really, nothing's getting by it. Let's see how he does against the ZOMG. No abilities needed. Seems to be handling it fine, and the ZOMG just goes down. Simple as that. This is why Spectre is such a strong upgrade. Easily buffable. Just imagine if we had the Flying Fortress. Alrighty, round 88 is here, and we're just about to get our perma brew, which is going to be very helpful. Just get it right here, beautiful, and we want to cross path in the middle. I don't know how important that is, but I hear it does a lot of work, so that's what we're doing. Just destroyed. Now here we have the DDTs here. We're gonna overclock them just so we're safe. Just so we're safe. And Apache right here. We want him in the range of Striker. So like this, have it on pursuit. We give him the faster darts, the superior cross path, and we should be chilling, to be honest. Just in case. And yeah. Beautiful. Uh-oh. Those DDTs get by so fast. Gotta be watching at all times. So what I like to do is slow it down. The moment I see a DDT, I'm gonna overclock, just so I can get it off, potentially twice. Here we go. Got the overclock right there. We're gonna stun a little bit. We're gonna stun again whenever we get a chance. But that might just be enough, to be honest. But this is a chance. We don't want to lose the run, so taking precaution is very... There we go. This is a black border, and we got to do everything we can. We're gonna stun here. I actually was a little late on that, so hopefully this is enough to take it down. Perfect. That was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. Those DDTs come in fast. We're gonna overclock for around 100. We're not gonna use the Striker ability because it doesn't do anything until after the bat is popped. Right now. Beautiful. Overclock to overdo it, and that's how you black border tree stumps. Beautiful. I'll see you guys later. Peace.